Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix an Instagram page is not available right now. So guys, when you open your Instagram app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, first you need to open your settings in your Android phone or iPhone. And guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if not connected, then you need to go back and open your mobile data. So guys, after doing this you need to go back and after opening it you need to scroll it down and click on app management. Here is the option of app management. So guys, you need to click here and click on app list. And guys, after this you need to scroll down and here you need to find Instagram. So guys, wait for finding it. So guys, here you can see Instagram is this. So guys, you need to simply click on storage and cache. Click here and click on clear cache and clear storage. So guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again. And after this, scroll it down, click on system, and guys, click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi settings. Click here, and guys, firstly you need to select SIM 1 and click on reset, and after doing this, select SIM 2 and reset. So guys, after doing reset you need to go back. And guys, the last important method is you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, you can after updating your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your Instagram app smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.